The sign-in code for this presentation is 9019.
Today, we're going to do a journal club on professional skills for behavior analysts. Then I'm going to go over NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, as well as some APBA, the Association for Behavior Analysis, suggestion on wellness and self-care. I thought it was pretty cool that they had put out a pretty lengthy PDF on self-care and wellness, our Association of Professional Behavior Analysis. So we're going to go over that too if there's enough time. And as always, I'm happy to give you guys the slides and articles and all of that, that we go over. I've already sent you the main article that we're working from, but I can send you the others too for anyone who wants those resources. So I, of course, am Dr. Jennifer Bellotti Streetman. I'm the Executive Vice President of Full Spectrum ABA. And as I had mentioned, we're going to be going over professional skills for behavior analysts. And when I say behavior analysts, really all of these skills are essential for any level of provider within the field of behavior analysis, not just BCBAs and BCABAs and BCBA-Ds, but for RBTs as well. So the importance of professional skills. So first, we're going to review the article by Cohen and Kodak, Professional Skills for Behavior Analysts, a survey on the proficiency and importance of hard and soft skills. And this is the article that I sent to all of you with the invitation. So essential skill categories. Certification for behavior analysts requires mastery of both hard skills, such as assessments, and soft skills, like communication for effective client support. Training integration. Comprehensive training combines theoretical coursework with practical fieldwork, emphasizing the need for structured development of both hard and soft skills. Now, ongoing development needs. Continuous professional development is crucial, particularly in enhancing soft skills to adapt to evolving client needs and improve therapeutic outcomes. Effective behavior analysis requires a balanced integration of hard and soft skills where technical competencies enable intervention execution, while interpersonal abilities enhance client relationships and therapeutic effectiveness. So you need both. So you need to be technically competent with all your behavior analytics skills, how to run reinforcement schedules and run DTT programs and all of that. And then you also need those interpersonal abilities to obtain buy-in and pair and to be therapeutically effective. The importance of professional skills, certification skill requirements. Mastery of both hard and soft skills is essential for certification, ensuring behavior analysts can effectively support diverse client needs. Combining theoretical knowledge with practical fieldwork enhances the development of essential skills, preparing behavior analysts for real-world changes. Ongoing training in soft skills is vital for adapting to client needs and improving therapeutic outcomes in behavior analysis. Adhering to ethical standards is crucial for behavior analysts, ensuring client welfare, informed consent, and confidentiality, which collectively enhance the integrity of behavioral interventions. Behavior analysts must recognize and respect the diverse backgrounds of clients, promoting equity in service delivery while continuously reflecting on personal biases to improve ethical conduct. Training and mastery in behavior analysis. Coursework provides theoretical foundations, while fieldwork allows behavior analysts to apply these concepts in real-world situations, enhancing their practical skills and professional readiness. Fieldwork experiences under supervision enable behavior analysts to refine their techniques, receive constructive feedback, and develop a deeper understanding of client interactions and service delivery. A balanced focus on both hard and soft skills during training ensures that behavior analysts are equipped to handle technical tasks and foster effective communication with clients and stakeholders. Soft skills are essential for effective communication and relationship building, directly impacting client satisfaction and treatment outcomes in behavior analysis. Current behavior analyst training often neglects soft skills, leading to professionals who may excel technically but struggle with interpersonal interactions. Implementing targeted soft skills training through workshops, role-playing, and mentorship can enhance behavior analysts' effectiveness and client engagement. The lack of structured training in soft skills, such as empathy and communication, significantly hampers behavior analysts' effectiveness, highlighting the urgent need for curriculum enhancements to address these critical deficits. So, some strategies for effective retraining. Ensure retraining programs are closely aligned with current practices in behavior analysis, integrating real-world scenarios that reflect the challenges practitioners face in their daily work. Establish continuous feedback mechanisms that allow participants to receive constructive criticism and insights from peers and supervisors, fostering an environment of collaborative learning and improvement. Reinforce the importance of ethical decision-making and retraining, providing case studies and discussions that challenge analysts to navigate complex ethical dilemmas relevant to their practice. And some of our regions will have chats, and you might be in some of them, where an ethical dilemma is posed, and then the providers have an opportunity to have a discussion on how you should best address that ethical dilemma, which is good practice. Survey insights on skills proficiency. So the purpose of this study was to assess how often various soft skills were demonstrated, which soft skills were most important for the job of the BCBA, which were the most likely to lead to a promotion, and which are the most in need of improvement. And the authors surveyed BCBAs who supervise other BCBAs to report their observations about the prevalence and importance of various soft and hard skills to the job of being an analyst. And so these are some of the results that they found. So behavior analysts' varied educational paths influence their theoretical approaches and practical applications, impacting the effectiveness of interventions across different settings. The range of experience among behavior analysts affects their ability to apply knowledge effectively, with seasoned professionals often demonstrating superior integration of theory and practice. And the diverse population served by behavior analysts necessitate tailored skill sets, as different client needs require specific competencies in assessment and intervention strategies. The effectiveness of behavior analysts hinges on a balanced proficiency in hard and soft skills, ensuring technical competence while fostering strong client relationships for optimal intervention outcomes. And then they found a need for enhanced training. So the observations revealed a critical gap in soft skills training within behavior analysis programs, necessitating the integration of structured training to improve interpersonal effectiveness and client satisfaction. Implications for future training and advancement. So future training must prioritize soft skills alongside hard skills to enhance client interactions and improve overall therapeutic outcomes in behavior analysis. Establishing universal guidelines for soft skills training will ensure consistency and competency among behavior analysts, addressing current training disparities. And training programs should incorporate the latest research findings to align with best practices, emphasizing the critical role of soft skills in effective behavior analysis. So, the article really spoke to the importance of those soft skills and making sure that we are ensuring that our interventions are effective with our clients. And in doing so, we really need to make sure that we're paying attention to our communication skills and how we're interacting with other people. And so because of that theme that was highlighted, we're going to move into discussing and reviewing effective communication skills for behavior analysts. So I conducted a web search of 10 different ABA websites for communication skills necessary for behavior analytic providers. So different articles that were kind of like mainstream, easily accessible for anyone, not necessarily just like a research article, to see what other people think are the most important communication skills for people who are practicing within ABA. And these were determined to be key aspects. So first was active listening. So paying close attention to what clients and caregivers are saying, showing interest and asking clarifying questions to fully understand their concerns and perspectives. Second one, clear and concise language. So avoiding technical jargon and explaining concepts in simple, understandable terms to avoid confusion. Third, empathy and understanding. So showing genuine concern and compassion for the client's challenges and experiences. Next is nonverbal communication. So maintaining positive body language, appropriate facial expressions, and a supportive tone of voice. Building rapport, establishing a positive and trusting relationships with clients and caregivers through consistent communication and genuine interactions. Cultural sensitivity, respecting diverse cultural backgrounds and adapting communication styles accordingly. Next was collaboration. So actively involving clients and caregivers in the decision-making process and seeking their input on treatment plans. Adaptability, tailoring communication strategies to different audiences, including children, adults, and other professionals. And so you're not going to speak with your client in the same exact way that you are going to speak with their parent or with their SLP or with your supervisor, BCBA, or your supervisee in RBT. So we're making sure that we're tailoring those communication strategies. Positive reinforcement, providing praise and encouragement to acknowledge progress and motivate clients. And it's good to provide praise and encouragement to the significant others as well, especially when we're looking at the treatment integrity with which they are implementing those interventions. And then written communication. Clearly documenting treatment plans, progress notes, and other relevant information in a professional manner. And so, of course, we have our DPN standards and rubric, and we do the DPN checks. And so we need to make sure that all of that is accurate and comprehensive. I would say really as detailed as we can be. As long as we're meeting the requirements of that rubric, you don't need to write like 10 pages for a DPN, right? And then making sure that our initial assessments and reassessments are accurate. The next section is effective communication and neurolinguistic programming. So next we're going to discuss the articles Effective Communication and Neurolinguistic Programming by Bashir and Ghani, and the importance of neurolinguistic programming skills as a communication tool in the workplace by Ella Shree. So understanding neurolinguistic programming. Basics of NLP include anchoring, so associating a feeling with a physical action, such as repeating a word or phrase. So for example, you can repeat "good job" to feel calm. Mirroring, imitating another person's voice and body language to build rapport and trust. Reframing, reassessing your beliefs and thoughts from different perspectives. So for example, you can reframe a negative thought by using words differently to change its meaning. Next is NLP Swish. So creating a vivid image of what you want, then create a vivid image of what you don't want. Reverse the images, making the desired image brighter and the undesired image darker, and repeat this process to train your brain to focus on the positive. And now, so those are some basics. So now we're going to go into the articles. The importance of NLP in communication. So NLP techniques empower individuals to refine their communication skills by promoting clarity, empathy, and behavioral influence, ultimately leading to more meaningful interactions and improved understanding in various personal and professional contexts. Neurolinguistic programming synthesizes insights from psychology, linguistics, and cognitive science, creating a robust framework that enhances understanding of human behavior, communication, and personal development across various contexts, particularly in professional environments. And here's a timeline of the historical development of NLP. So you have 1970, it's continuing to evolve, integrating modern psychological frameworks to address contemporary communication challenges. 1975, you have the emergence of major NLP training programs and global workshops, expanding its reach beyond academia. 1970s to 1980s, Richard Bandler and John Grinder began their collaboration at UC Santa Cruz, laying NLP's foundational principles. The 2000s, you have the integration of cognitive psychology and behavioral science. They refined NLP methodologies, enhancing its empirical support. And then you have present. So NLP's principles adapted to various sectors, improving communication in education and business environments. Psychology of excellence in NLP. So individuals can replicate the successful behaviors and thought patterns of high achievers, facilitating personal growth and enhanced performance through observation and practice. You're transforming limited beliefs or limiting beliefs into empowering ones, which is crucial. And this shift fosters motivation and ambition, enabling individuals to pursue excellence effectively. Emotional mastery. You're mastering emotional regulation through NLP techniques, which enhances focus and productivity, allowing individuals to maintain resourceful emotional states conducive to achieving their goals. Core principles, modeling for success. Emulating successful individuals' thought patterns and behaviors allows for the replication of effective strategies in personal and professional development. Interconnectedness of mind and language. The relationship between thoughts, language, and behavior is crucial for effective communication and behavioral change in NLP practices. Clarity through the meta model. So the meta model enhances communication by clarifying ambiguous language, challenging assumptions, and fostering deeper understanding in interactions. Language and its impact on communication. So language shapes perception. The choice of words significantly influences how individuals perceive situations, affecting their emotional responses and subsequent behaviors, thereby highlighting the importance of mindful language use. Emotional resonance in communication. Effective communicators harness the emotional weight of language, utilizing tone and context to foster positive interactions, enhance understanding, and motivate desired behavioral changes. Deletion, generalization, and distortion. So deletion, generalization, and distortion are cognitive filters that shape how individuals interpret experiences, influencing their beliefs, behaviors, and communication effectiveness in various contexts. These filters can lead to misunderstandings in interpersonal communication, as individuals may misinterpret intentions or messages, resulting in conflict and reduced relational trust. And so that's a reason why you have heard in many of our trainings that we really prefer and discourage you from communicating other than like some basic information through texts with parents. It's really just not best practice. We need to make sure that we are abiding by HIPAA, but also with texts, it's very easy to misinterpret what someone's intentions are. And so it's a lot easier and more effective to have an in-person conversation, of course, if you have that opportunity, or over the phone or like a Teams meeting, something like that. That way you make sure that your intention is conveyed, and you can utilize your soft skills, and you can look at body language as well, facial expressions, outside of even just the words that someone's saying, including tone of voice. Employing techniques such as active listening and seeking clarification can mitigate the effects of these filters, fostering clearer communication and enhancing mutual understanding in interactions. Language not only conveys information, but also acts as a catalyst for emotional responses, shaping perceptions and behaviors through carefully chosen words, tone, and context, thereby enhancing interpersonal connections and communication effectiveness. NLP techniques provide structured methods to enhance communication by aligning language with thought processes, improving clarity and emotional connection in interactions. Techniques like anchoring help individuals manage their emotional states, fostering confidence and clarity during critical conversations for more effective communication. Adapting communication styles to match the recipient's learning preferences enhances understanding, ensuring messages resonate and are retained more effectively. And we know that as providers within behavior analysis too, that everything that we do really should be individualized, especially delivering feedback. So some applications and benefits of NLP. NLP principles enable educators to customize teaching methods based on individual learning styles, enhancing student engagement and comprehension through personalized communication techniques and adaptive approaches. By addressing emotional states, NLP fosters a positive learning environment, utilizing strategies like visualization and anchoring to improve focus, motivation, and overall academic performance among students. NLP techniques such as mirroring and matching, we discussed before, help educators establish strong relationships with students, creating a supportive atmosphere that encourages open communication and enhances the learning experience. Engaging with NLP techniques fosters profound self-discovery, enabling individuals to identify personal strengths and weaknesses, ultimately guiding them towards more intentional life choices and enhanced self-efficacy. By employing NLP strategies like visualization and the SMART framework, which I have below, individuals can effectively transform their aspirations into actionable plans, significantly increasing their chances of success and fulfillment. So the SMART framework is below: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. So a guide framework for goals. Understanding the anchoring mechanism. Anchoring connects specific stimuli to emotional states, enabling individuals to evoke desired feelings, enhancing performance and emotional regulation in high-pressure situations like presentations. Reframing shifts perspectives on challenges, transforming perceived setbacks into opportunities for growth, thereby fostering a culture of innovation and resilience within teams and organizations. Establishing rapport through mirroring and active listening enhances trust and communication, leading to improved collaboration and productivity among team members in professional environments. NLP as a communication tool in the workplace. So active listening techniques. Implementing active listening techniques such as summarizing and reflecting enhances mutual understanding and fosters a culture of respect, ultimately leading to more effective workplace interactions. Utilizing structured communication frameworks like the meta model ensures messages are conveyed clearly, minimizing ambiguity and promoting a more efficient exchange of ideas among team members. Utilizing NLP techniques improves clarity and effectiveness in communication, fostering a better understanding and collaboration among team members in managerial contexts. NLP practices enhance emotional intelligence, enabling managers to recognize and respond to their own and others' emotions, leading to improved team dynamics. Implementing NLP methods equips managers with tools to navigate and resolve conflicts constructively, promoting a harmonious and productive work environment. Utilizing NLP techniques such as active listening, emotional anchoring, and rapport establishment significantly enhances interpersonal skills, fostering deeper connections and understanding, which are essential for effective communication and collaboration in various contexts. Recognizing personal emotional triggers enhances self-management by allowing individuals to anticipate reactions and implement strategies to maintain composure in challenging situations, fostering emotional resilience. Effective self-management involves setting SMART, we discussed before, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, which promote clear direction and motivation, facilitating personal accountability and progress tracking. So that's really looking at your own behaviors and areas that you want to grow in. Engaging in reflective practices such as journaling or meditation promotes self-awareness by encouraging individuals to analyze their thoughts and behaviors, leading to informed decision-making and personal development. So any questions, comments, anything that you've used that falls within this NLP umbrella? Otherwise, we're going to go into the APBA, Association of Professional Behavior Analysts, suggestions on individual wellness and self-care strategies. So understanding the importance of self-care. Engaging in self-care practices fosters emotional resilience, enabling professionals to effectively manage stress and adapt to workplace challenges, ultimately leading to improved job satisfaction and reduced risk of burnout. Effective time management. Prioritizing tasks and setting boundaries are essential for behavior analysts to maintain a healthy work-life balance, preventing burnout, and promoting sustained engagement in their practice. Emotional regulation techniques. Practitioners should utilize mindfulness and reflective practices to enhance emotional stability, crucial for managing client interactions and reducing stress-related responses. Communication for self-advocacy. Developing strong communication skills enables behavior analysts to express their needs and boundaries, fostering a supportive environment that values self-care as a collective responsibility. Recognizing when to seek professional help. So first, identifying emotional distress. Recognizing persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, or emotional dysregulation is crucial, as these may indicate deeper psychological issues requiring professional intervention for effective management and recovery. 2, understanding substance use risks. So increased reliance on substances for coping can signal significant emotional distress. Seeking professional help is essential to address underlying issues and prevent further deterioration of mental health. The impact of self-care on client outcomes. So practitioners who prioritize self-care demonstrate greater emotional availability, fostering deeper connections and trust with clients, which enhances therapeutic engagement and outcomes. Regular self-care practices mitigate burnout symptoms, allowing practitioners to maintain empathy and effectiveness, directly benefiting client interactions and treatment success. Practitioners who actively engage in self-care serve as role models for clients, promoting the importance of self-care and encouraging clients to adopt similar practices for their well-being. Exploring wellness and self-care concepts. Holistic health approach. Wellness and behavior analysis integrates physical, emotional, social, and mental health dimensions, emphasizing the importance of a balanced lifestyle for effective professional practice and client outcomes. Active engagement model. The active model of wellness promotes proactive health management, encouraging behavior analysts to adopt strategies that enhance their well-being and foster positive behavioral changes in clients. Values-driven self-care. Aligning personal values with professional goals enhances motivation for self-care, leading to improved job satisfaction and a more meaningful practice in behavior analysis. Key self-care activities for practitioners. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Establishing a consistent sleep routine enhances cognitive function and emotional stability, crucial for effective client interactions and decision-making. Incorporate regular exercise. Engaging in diverse physical activities boosts mood and resilience, serving as a model for clients to adopt healthier lifestyles. Maintain hydration awareness. Staying adequately hydrated supports cognitive performance and emotional regulation, essential for practitioners to function optimally in their roles. The significance of reinforcers, values, and goals. Synergistic relationship. The interplay between reinforcers, values, and goals creates a robust framework for personal development, enhancing motivation and commitment to self-care practices while ensuring actions align with individual beliefs and aspirations. Integrating self-care into daily routines. First, transforming commutes. Utilize commuting time for self-care by listening to uplifting podcasts or audiobooks, enhancing mindfulness and knowledge while transitioning into work mode. Mindful meal times. Practice gratitude and mindfulness during meals, reflecting on daily successes to foster emotional resilience and a positive mindset. Third, flexible scheduling. Design a self-care routine that allows for adaptability, ensuring that personal needs are met without compromising professional responsibilities. Implementing effective self-care strategies. Enhancing emotional awareness. So regular self-check-ins cultivate emotional awareness, enabling individuals to identify and articulate their feelings, which is essential for effective emotional regulation and overall mental health improvement. Identifying behavioral patterns. Through consistent self-assessment, individuals can recognize recurring behaviors that impact their well-being, allowing for targeted adjustments to promote healthier lifestyle choices and coping mechanisms. And third, promoting proactive wellness. Establishing a routine for self-check-ins encourages a proactive approach to wellness, empowering individuals to address potential issues early and maintain a balanced emotional and mental state. Self-assessment tools for continuous improvement. So first is structured reflection mechanisms. Utilizing structured self-assessment tools, such as validated questionnaires, enables individuals to systematically evaluate their wellness practices, fostering accountability and targeted improvements in self-care strategies. Second, collaborative feedback integration. Engaging in peer feedback sessions enhances self-assessment by providing diverse perspectives, promoting a culture of continuous learning, and facilitating the adaptation of self-care practices based on collective insights. Setting goals and priorities. So first, goal clarity and focus. Clearly defined goals enhance focus, enabling individuals to concentrate their efforts on specific areas of wellness, leading to more effective self-care practices. Second, progress tracking mechanisms. Implementing tracking tools such as journals or apps allows individuals to monitor their progress, fostering accountability and motivation in their wellness journey. And third, and last, dynamic goal adjustment. Regularly revisiting and adjusting goals ensures they remain relevant and achievable, accommodating changes in personal circumstances and promoting sustained engagement in wellness activities. And so now I just have the references. So these are the 3 major research articles that we reviewed and discussed. And then here are some supplemental resources regarding communication skills. And then we'll stop here if anyone has any questions. And in the meantime, I'll drop into the chat the APBA Individual Wellness and Self-Care PDF. Is there anything, if there isn't anything that anyone wants to discuss, we can go ahead and end. We reviewed all the content that I had for you guys for today. And then if anything comes up, you know where to reach us. You can reach out to your clinical director, regional director, corporate office, of course. We're happy to help you with whatever you have. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week.
The sign-out code for this presentation is 8316.